In this lecture I will show you how to draw multiline graph in Excel. You can see the multiline graph. We will try to draw this graph, but before that let me clear this graph to show you how we have drawn it. Click on the insert and then click on this line chart. Now you have two type of lines over there. In the 2D you can take any type line. This one will be in 3D. Even you can click on other, then again click on the line. So these are different charts. I'm going to select the first one, then click on OK. Now right click on the graph and click on the select data, then click on the add. Now in the pop-up window you can enter any name in the series name, but here I will give at Peshawar, so click on Peshawar, and the series value select the data of the Peshawar column, so it will draw the required line for it. To draw another line, click on add. In the pop-up window for series name click on cohort, and for series value select the data of cohort column and click on OK, so it will draw the required line. Now for another line click again on add. For series name click on Hangu, and for series values click on select the data of the Hangu column and click on OK. It will draw the third line as well. Then for foot line click on add, and in the series name click on Banu to take that as a name, and in the series value first of all remove the value 1 taken by default and select the data of the Banu column and then click on OK, so it will draw the foot line as well. Now if you look at the graph, on the x-axis it has taken 1 2 3. Now I want to replace this 1 2 3 with name of the months, so for that click on edit and then select January up to May, so 1 2 3 will be replaced with name of the months and click on OK. So your graph is completed.